even though the price of Bitcoin right now looks like breaking out from this falling wedge pattern, looks like breaking out from this bump and run reversal pattern, we still have to be extremely careful because our time is running out until the end of this month, until the end of September month. If the price of Bitcoin fails to regain its trend above the CPI lines, then we know we are in big trouble, because price closing the candle below the CPI line until the end of the month usually indicates weakness, also indicates a reversal like this. So to invalidate this bearish scenario, we know we have to overcome some key line of resistance first. So before I start talking about these important key lines, please destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. And also guys, CryptoAnup Alt channel, our new channel, has uploaded a new video. So if you are holding Ethereum, do check this video right now, because the price of Ethereum along with Bitcoin are flashing some very interesting scenario, and I definitely want you guys to check that out. So if we look at the price action of Bitcoin here in a daily time frame using this falling wedge pattern, yes, falling wedge is considered as a bullish continuation pattern, and in our case, after breaking out from this resistance line, the upper trend line, we can see this candle looks like it is favoring the longs. But what I want you guys to be careful about, even though this breakout led to a new higher highs, which could be also on the line, but for this exact scenario to play out, we have to overcome the resistance which we have in between 27,000-28,000 range at any cost. Yes guys, even though this might be looked as a bullish continuation pattern, price breaking out from this falling wedge, please wait for the price to close the candle or find support above 28,000 before looking for any long opportunity, because any sort of a movement to the upside, price still failing to break out of this key line 28,000, then this will be looked as a fake out, and price of Bitcoin after that is expected to show another continuation like this, because we know parallelly breaking the upper trend line from this falling wedge means the price is also breaking the resistance from this bump and run reversal pattern, which is a bullish continuation pattern. So according to this bump and run reversal pattern as well, price is finding support above this previous temporary resistance line. So in our case, if the price of Bitcoin not only finds support above this falling trend line, but also above this 28,000 line, then we know this will be looked as an actual continuation here like this. I mean, price of Bitcoin getting attracted towards this 30,000, 33,000 price opportunity before choosing a trend duration, because we know this bump and run reversal pattern, this falling wedge is only going to get valid if the price of Bitcoin manages to find support above this central pivot range until the end of this September month, which is going to end in few days. Yes guys, this September CPI is extremely important CPI, because if we fail to regain our strength above the CPI line for better confirmation above the top CPI line, which is going to be around 27,800 to 28,000 range, we will be looking this as a bearish continuation pattern, even though the price of Bitcoin right now could be forming some bullish candle. Yes guys, this will be looked as an fake out, and price is expected to follow another descending CPI for the month of October. Yes guys, if the price of Bitcoin fails to regain its trend above the September CPI line, then the next month CPI will be a descending CPI, and we know descending CPI only gets formed when the price is preparing itself for a new downtrend. So to avoid this bearishness, we definitely need the price of Bitcoin to regain its strength above 28,000 for better confirmation. And now, even if you look at this in a very simple way, I was very clear about this price movement. I showed you that in the medium short term, we could be seeing more of a range bound, price range bounding between this upper band and the lower band. And until or unless we break out from either the top or the bottom band, we are going to remain neutral. I mean, if this here is going to be a bullish continuation pattern, then we also want the price of Bitcoin to break out from this upper band after the squeeze what is happening here. Yes guys, this usually indicates the incoming volatility. So if this volatility is going to favor us, then we definitely want the upper band to be broken, which is going to be around 28,000 range. And if this here is going to be a fake out, then price will break below this lower band, which is around 25,000 to 26,000 range. So guys, before we break certain line of support and resistance, please do not get overexcited. Yes, this might be a bullish continuation pattern, but please wait until the price breaks out of this key line around 28,000 before looking for any long opportunity. And now, even if you look at this in a very simple way, guys, according to this weekly time frame, according to this Stan Weinstein ideal buy for investor scenario, the price of Bitcoin in our case came back to test the support from this horizontal trend line, which previously acted as a resistance. Yes, this horizontal trend line previously acted as a resistance. This exact line held the price twice, and now this could be also looked as a double bottom formation. So if this here is going to be an actual continuation like this, what must the price of Bitcoin do next? The price of Bitcoin must find support above 28,000. And why 28,000? Because around that area we also have this red line, which is 30-week moving average. Yes, according to this example, you can see the price must find support above 30-week moving average if we want to continue this uptrend. So that is another reason why the price must come across 28,000. And now, even according to this 21 weekly EMA, yes guys, we are testing the resistance one more time, and we know since we are below it, the same line which previously acted as a line of support will be rejecting us. So if the price in the weekly manages to find support above this 21 weekly EMA, then that will also indicate the upcoming days might be bullish, and price of Bitcoin could be heading towards this 28,000 and even higher. So all eyes are going to be in between 28,000 resistance line. Resistance from this 30-week moving average, resistance from 200 weekly moving average, and also the 21 weekly EMA, because we know if the price of Bitcoin does shows another continuation here to the upside, does breaks the resistance which we have around 28,000 range, then you can see 30,000 is also going to be our price opportunity. But if the price loses the support or fail to break out of this key line of resistance here to the upside, then we have to be extremely careful, because getting rejection on that area in the past price action led to a reversal. So this is exactly what we want to avoid. So if this bearish continuation is going to play out, you can see for the coming days 23,000 will be on the line. So to invalidate the bearish scenario, the price of Bitcoin right now needs to be above 26,000, and to the upside we have to find support above 28,000 range, because failing to do that, failing to break out from this key line, the upper line area from this symmetrical triangle, resistance from this 21 weekly EMA, 200 weekly EMA, even this 30-week moving average, then in that case this descending triangle scenario will line up parallelly, because in the past price action this rejection has always led to a reversal to the downside. So to avoid this bearish scenario, as you can see, the price in a bigger frame must remain above 26,000, and to continue this bullishness from this bump and run reversal pattern falling wedge, then we have to find support above 28,000 at any cost, because by doing that we will be looking at this price continuation as a bullish continuation like this. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, please try that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit the subscribe button and the bell. And before I conclude this, please do check our new video on our CryptoAnup alt channel. To all Ethereum holder, this is definitely going to be one interesting video, so please check this right now, because the time is running out. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, and see you next time.